If you live in South King County, the airport is a big part of your daily life. You hear it, you use it, and you might even work there. It's your community. You also know that our region is growing quickly, and more people are traveling through the airport every year. As a gateway to the more than 8 million people who live in our state, the airport will need to serve the 1 million more expected to move to the Puget Sound by 2035. That growth puts pressure on your neighborhood. More traffic, more people, more stress. It touches us all, whether we're flying, working, or living nearby. To make travel better and easier for everyone, we need to make some changes. We need a clear plan to manage this growth, so we created the Sustainable Airport Master Plan Near-Term Projects, or SAMP, to help SEA and our community prepare for the future. We're focusing on big improvements inside our current footprint, like building a second terminal with 19 new gates and upgrading local roads with a $40 million investment to improve traffic. These 31 near-term projects are designed to help the airport serve everyone better, minimizing impact to air and water quality and easing traffic in your neighborhood. Our goal is to make travel to and through the airport safer and more efficient for everyone who uses, works at, or lives nearby. With more people moving to and visiting our region, we expect more passengers and flights over time. We're doing our best to minimize the additional impact of those flights. We also know the proposed changes directly affect your neighborhood, so federal agencies reviewed our plans to ensure they meet local, state, and national standards. Now it's our turn to make sure they also meet Washington state standards and meet your needs by preparing an Environmental Impact Statement, or EIS. We want these improvements to reflect your priorities, so your input is essential. As of May 22nd, 2026, you can review the SEPA Draft EIS and share your feedback. Materials are available in multiple languages, so everyone can participate. Just go online, send an email or a letter by mail, or join us at an open house or webinar in June. Tell us what parts of the plan you support, what concerns you have based on the SEPA EIS findings, and what matters most to you. Noise, air quality, traffic, or anything else. Every comment shapes what comes next for the airport and your neighborhood. We want to know if we've missed something in the draft EIS that matters to you. This is your chance to help shape a more sustainable and community-focused future for South King County. Your voice truly matters in this process. By sharing your detailed, thoughtful comments, you help shape decisions that will affect all our neighborhoods, now and for years to come. Let's build a better future together.